is cryptocurrency a part that will fade with time? Some people have been saying that
Unveiling the digital revolution, cryptocurrency, blockchains, and the future of finance is the title of the 41st inaugural lecture of the Usman Danfodiyo University, Sokoto, presented by Professor of Finance, Malami Muhammad Meshanu of the Department of Management Sciences of the university. The lecture, which was held at the auditorium of the university, was witnessed by the university management, staff, and students, including families and friends. In a paper, the presenter, Professor Meshanu, tried to examine the relationship between crypto, blockchain, and future of finance. The professor also tried to answer some questions that says, will the crypto-based financial system compete with the traditional financial system when it comes to understanding the need and complexity of the modern era?